Okay, you guys, so now we're going to be looking at something called the dot product. So the dot product is basically going to help you think about the Pythagorean theorem in vector world. So you guys looked at vector addition, scalar multiplication, stretching it, adding your vectors together, that whole part. So if we had two different vectors that were perpendicular, that means when they touch, they create a right angle. And then you can look at these two and you can say, okay, so B is over here, and so B1's over here and A1's over here. If I find the difference between B1 and A1, that's going to go ahead and help me see what I need to put together. So that's going to be a piece, and then B2 and A2. So we are going to take this and we're going to look at something called the dot product. So the dot product is going to be in place of the Pythagorean theorem for vectors in a plane because it will have that correct usage. So go ahead, you can move to the next slide. There's nothing really in particular you need to write down as you already have all of this in prior lessons.